Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You are at home now, but you need to take preparation for the given syllabus. So, Shirazganj Sport Development Board Secondary School has taken a decision to continue to go on online class. Welcome to my online class. I am going to introduce you Muhammad Abdur Razzaq, Assistant Teacher, Shirazganj Sport Development Board Secondary School. Today I will take class on English, class 8, Unit 1, Lesson 5, topic Bangladeshi cuisine. Look at the picture. Say something about these pictures. Various kinds of curries, various kinds of vegetables, various kinds of sweets and cakes. So, dear student, our today's lesson is Bangladeshi cuisine. Learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to know about Bangladeshi culture, know about Bangladeshi food habit, read and understand the text, ask and answer question. Let's know about some word meaning. Pickles. A similar word or meaning of the pickles is right. Cuisine means cooking. Appetizing means tasty. Snacks means meal oblique food. So, dear student, look at the picture again. What do you see in these pictures? Rice with fried fish and cooked vegetables. Various kinds of sweets and pitas. Panta ilish. Let's read the pages. Look at the picture, you can also understand. You can also know about this. Bangladeshi cuisine is rich and varied with the use of many spices. We have delicious and appetizing food, snacks and sweets. Boiled rice, lentil soup, fish fry, cooked vegetables, meat, curry. Boiled rice is our staple food. It is served with a variety of vegetables, curry, lentil soups, fish and meat. carp, rui, katla, magur, oblique catfish, chingri, oblique prawn or shrimp, shukti or dried fish, hilsa. Fish are a main source of protein. Fishes are now cultivated in ponds. Also, we have freshwater fishes in the lakes and rivers. More than 40 types of fishes are common. Some of them are carp, rui, katla, magur, catfish, chingri, oblique prawn, or shrimp. Shutki or dried fishes are popular. Hilsa is very popular among the people of Bangladesh. Look at the picture. First one is green chilies, dried fish, onion, fried fish, lentil soup, panta elish, pickles. Panta elish is a traditional platter of panta bhat. It is simple, rich, soaked in water and served with a dried hilsa slice, often together with dried fish, pickles, lentil soup, green chilies, and onion. It is a popular dish on the Pohela Boishakh. Some sweets: rice flour, syrup, molasses, milk. Dear student, the topic of the pages. The people of Bangladesh are very fond of sweets. Almost all Bangladeshi women prefer some traditional sweets. Pitha, a type of sweets made from rice flour, sugar, syrup, molasses, and sometimes milk. It's a traditional food loved by the entire population. What do the pictures indicate? First one, pitha, sweet. Next, some sweets. Sweets are distributed among close relatives when there is good news like births, wedding, promotions, etc. Some sweets, gulab jam, সন্দেশ, কালো জাম, চমচম, রসগোল্লা, মিল্ক, রসমালাই. So, dear student, sweets of Bangladesh are mostly milk based. The common ones are Rasgulla, Sandesh, Rasmalai, Gulab Jam, Kalo Jam, and Somsam. There are hundreds of different varieties of sweet preparation. Sweets are there or in important of the day-to-day life of Bangladeshi people. So, dear student, you have understood the topics about Bangladeshi cuisine. Now I am going to discuss about some. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. First on, the word appetizing refers to number one, costly, palatable, number three, tasteless, Number 4, repulsive. The student, the answer is palatable. Number 2. Next question, number B. Which one is not freshwater fish? Number 1, carp. Number 2, rui. Number 3, prawn. Number 4, hilsa. So, dear student, the answer is number 4, hilsa. Question number C. During winter, Pitha Utsav is held in our country. Number 1, arrange. Number 2, organize. Number 3, hold. Number 4, prepare. The answer is arranged. During winter, Pitha Utsav is arranged in our country. Number D, dash is our traditional food. Number 1, rice. Number 2, fish. Number 3, pitha. Number 4, all of these. The answer is pitha. Pitha is our traditional food. So, dear student, you have been given some true or false question. If false, write the correct answer. Number 1, our foods are rich because they have a lot of oil in them. The answer is false. Our foods are rich because they have the use of many spices in them. Number 2, we get protein from fish. The answer is true. Number 3, on Pohela Boishakh, the traditional food is steamed rice and fried hilsa. The answer is false. On Pohela Boishakh, the traditional food is steamed rice soaked in water and it is served with a fried hilsa slice, often with dried fish, pickles, lentil soup, green chilies and onion. Number 4, Palta Utsav takes place almost all the year round in Bangladesh. False. Palta Utsav only takes place in Pohela Boishakh. Number 5, sweets are not much appreciated by the people of Bangladesh. The answer is false. The people of Bangladesh are very fond of sweets. Dear student, answer the following question. Number 1 question, what is Bangladeshi cuisine? Number 2, where do we get the fishes from? Number 3, apart from fish, what other foods do we eat with rice? Why are sweets important part of our life? Number 1, the answer is Bangladeshi cuisine. Cuisine is rich and varied with the use of many spices. Number 2, answer is we get the fishes from the ponds, lakes and rivers. Number 3, apart from fish, we eat pickles, lentil soup, green chilies and onion with rice. Number 4, sweets are important part of our life because they are distributed among close relatives when there is good news like births, weddings, promotions, etc. So, dear student, I am going to evaluate the topics Bangladeshi cuisine. So, you have been given complete the pages with suitable words. Gap filling. The word Pohela means the first and Vaishak is the dash month of Bangla calendar. The day is observed not dash in Bangladesh but dash in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. It is also dash in Australia and the UK. In Australia, the largest dash for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Baishakhi Mela held as Sydney Olympic Park in England. The Bengalis dash celebrate the day with a street dash in London. It is the dash Asian festival in Europe, dash Bangladesh and West Bengal. Check the answers. Complete the pages with suitable words. The word Pahela means the first and Baishak is the first month of Bangla calendar. The day is observed not only in Bangladesh but also in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. It is also celebrated in Australia and the UK. The Australia, the largest festival for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Vaishakhi Mela held near Sydney Olympic Park. In England, the Bengalis generally celebrate the day with a street show in London. It is the largest Asian festival in Europe, America, Bangladesh, and West Bengal. So, dear student, you have understood the pages clearly, and I hope you can do anything about Bangladeshi culture, and also you can write a paragraph. So, as for homework, I am going to give you a paragraph. Write a short paragraph on Bangladeshi cuisine. Thank you. Stay home, remain safe. If you go out, wear masks and try to continue your studies. Don't mix with others. Allah Hafiz.